What does PPE stand for in healthcare settings? Personal protection equipment, primary patient evaluation, preventative pain elimination, personal patient examination. The correct answer is option number A, personal protection equipment. The term myocardial infarction refers to inflammation of the heart muscle, abnormal heart rhythms, heart attack, enlarged heart. The correct answer is option number C, heart attack. Which nursing intervention is most appropriate for a patient with a pressure ulcer? Turning and repositioning, applying a topical antibiotic, covering with a sterile dressing, evaluating the head of the bed. The correct answer is option number A, turning and repositioning. The nurse is performing an abdominal assessment. The nurse performs which assessment at first? Auscultation, inception, palpation, percussion. The correct answer is option number B, inception. Which of the following is a symptom of hypoglycemia? Polyuria, excessive thirst, blurred vision, sweating and confusion. The correct answer is option number D, sweating and confusion. While giving a intradermal injection, the needle should be held at 15 degree, 45 degree, 30 degree, 90 degree. The correct answer is option number A, 15 degree. Which nursing theory is based on the idea of caring? Henderson need theory, Watson human caring theory, Nightingale environmental theory, none of the above. The correct answer is option number B, Watson human caring theory. Which of the following is a common side effect of opioid analgesics? Hypertension, bradycardia, hyperactivity, constipation. The correct answer is option number D, constipation. Which position is recommended for a patient expressing respiratory distress? Supine, prone, fowlers, none of the above. The correct answer is option number C, fowlers. When you perform CPR on an unsuppressive adult, you should correctly assess the pulse of which location? Over the radial artery, over the carotid artery, over the brachial artery, over the temporal artery. The correct answer is option number B, over the carotid artery. What is the purpose of the Braden scale in nursing? Assessing risk for pressure ulcers, evaluating pain intensity, monitoring blood pressure, measuring respiratory rate. The correct answer is option number A, assessing risk for pressure ulcers. Which assessment findings indicates a potential complication of peripheral IV therapy? Localized warmth, increased urine output, decreased heart rate, increased appetite. The correct answer is option number A, localized warmth. The correct sequence for performing CPR is airway breathing circulation, circulation breathing airway circulation, airway circulation breathing. The correct answer is option number D, airway circulation breathing. A common side effect of corticosteroid therapy is hyperglycemia, hypoglycemia, bradycardia, hypertension. The correct answer is option number A, hyperglycemia. A patient with chronic renal failure is likely to experience polyuria, hypotension, hyperkalemia, alkalosis. The correct answer is option number C, hyperkalemia. Which of the following is a common symptom of gastroesophageal reflux disease? Diarrhea, dysphagia, constipation, epigastric pain. The correct answer is option number D, epigastric pain. The cranial nerve responsible for vision is optic, trigeminal, glossopharyngeal, hypoglossal. The correct answer is option number A, optic. Which of the following is a primary role of a nurse in infection control? Prescribing antibiotics, administering vaccines, implementing hand hygiene practice, diagnosing infection diseases. The correct answer is option number C, implementing hand hygienic practices. What is the first step in the nursing process? Assessment, diagnosis, planning, implementation. The correct answer is option number A, assessment. The Glasgow Coma Scale is used to assess muscular strength, neurological function, respiratory status, cardiac output. The correct answer is option number B, neurological function. Saliva helps in the digestion of fats, starch, proteins, vitamins. The correct answer is option number B, starch. Please like and subscribe.